Here we go. Now, we'll have Mama thinking I'm being mean to y'all here.
So, oh, she's used to hearing that at home.
That chunk out under that arm. You see this one. Get that chunk out. My goodness. Now, are you Auntie or Grandma?
Grandma.
See, you don't look old enough to be Grandma to me.
Really?
Yeah. She don't look old.
I'm old. I'm a little past that.
You don't look to be more like late 20s, early 30s yourself.
Really? No, I'm
So
hitting 40. Yeah. Yeah, I'm hitting 40.
See, I would have never guessed that. And not that that's a bad thing. I'm walking on that.
Yeah, I have a. You is funny. Oh, Noah, that feels so good. If you only knew. Wish somebody could aid me.
All that stuff out those creases there, young man. Oh, that's goodness. Grandma, you want to help me by getting one of those blankets?